Fed Chair Powell is out with a message that Americans should expect some pain as the Fed attempts to tame inflation. Let's bring in Dan Deming of KKM Financial. Dan, while we haven't seen any wild inflation flare-ups of late, is it too soon to tell if the Fed is making progress with rate hikes to bring down inflation?
I think it's too early for that, Angie. I think the Fed does not feel that they have control of the inflation front, even though we did see what appears to be a potential peak in some of the data in the last couple of weeks. But Chairman Powell certainly reiterated the fact that in their eyes, they need to remain aggressive just due to the fact that expectations can have such a big impact on inflation. So they want to try to reduce the expectations by being aggressive on their rate hike moves here in the short term.
There was quite a reaction in the stock market following the Fed's speech in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. What's happening technically with the market? And talk again about how critical that 4,100 level is in the S&P 500.
Yeah, I think that, we're in between the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average now, Angie. And so I think that, it's kind of important here. 4,100, I think, is one level that a lot of market technicians are watching. If we were to break that, then I guess you'd have to say the potential to test the 50-day moving average, which is down just below 4,000 in the S&P 500, it would be the next potential level. So that would be another 2.5% lower from where we currently are.
What are you watching for this week, Dan?
This week, certainly we're going to build up to the unemployment report at the end of the week, but we do have consumer confidence data in the middle of the week and some other data points, but a lot of Fed speak as well this week, Angie. So I think that that's going to be the focus. It has been the focus. It will continue to be the focus, but certainly coming off the message that was delivered on Friday, I think it's even going to be a heightened expectation as far as market participants are going to be keenly listening to how the narrative around the interest rate environment is trending as we move towards that September meeting.
A very active week ahead. Thank you, Dan.
All right. Thanks, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.